red anymore. It's green. I'm not frustrated. Nope. Nope, not me. Not me. Okay. It doesn't look choppy at all either. I don't think. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay, let's go. Here's the thing. What's the thing, Dark? Now we can't VC. No. No. We can VC another time, though. Oh, I needed to star D-Loop because I'm being forced to build him. At least you can do that, Clover. All right, I need 6 more of these and I can make that. Cool. All right, let's go beat up Firevine again. You're not earning any tea leaves? What do you mean you're not? Of course you are. Just by being here, you're earning tea leaves. What functions are missing? Demon form, and I think that's it. And then there's functions on the back end that aren't working. Like my buttons aren't working. Because I have a little mini Stream Deck that has some functionality. Without my ramp? Oh my god. Nice one. Thank you for making me laugh. It's been a night so far. Okay. Alright. That's actually not a bad piece with the Elemental Mastery and the Energy Recharge. These are not good substats, but... And really you'd want probably... it's not that great, actually. Okay. Yes! Thank you! That's what I needed to hear, JC. That was amazing. Oh my god, okay. Your win! I know. Oh my god. That had me cracking up. Your winner. Your winner. It's a video that JC sent me. Kind of made my day. My Alhaitham went on a permanent vacation? What? What do you mean? I'm never gonna get Alhaitham? I think you're probably right. Oops, wrong character. There we go. Bloom, bloom, bloom to death. Bloom, bloom, bloom to death. There we go. Could be worse, could be better.